Here's all the brand new comic book series debuting in stores for the week of July 6, 2016, including Miraculous #1 from Action Lab Entertainment. A bunch of variant covers looking very cool. Kim and Kim is the latest from Black Mass Comics, likely to sell out. Lots of buzz. Bounty is a long-running miniseries written by writer Curtis Weeb of Peter Panzerfaust, and this went out from Dark Horse. And DC has a big week as we get Batman #2 from writer Tom King. Batman 66 debuts in a new miniseries, meeting Steed and Mrs. Peel from the British 1960s Avengers TV show with Diana Rigg. Flintstones #1. DC gets the licensing, and there's a ton of variant covers looking very cool for the classic 60s cartoon. Justice League is relaunched with Rebirth #1, a one-shot from writer Brian Hitch. And Superman #2 is out. Dynamite gives us the miniseries The Lone Ranger Green Hornet, a very cool team-up. The Fix #1 continues to sell out, so we get a 4th printing from writer Nick Spencer. We also get new printings of #2, 3, and a first printing of the new #4. And Throwaways is the latest new series debuting with a #1 at Image. And lots of buzz for Walking Dead 156 out this week. Lots of rumors about does somebody important die in this issue. Cirque American Girl Over Paris is a new miniseries from Jet City Comics. Very small print run, couple of different covers. Lots of buzz for Amazing Spider-Man 15. Features an amazing cover from artist Alex Ross. Plus something big might be happening in this issue. Captain America Steve Rogers #1. It was a huge sellout, jumping in value, and now we get a second printing, Hail Hydra, on the cover. Civil War 2 Kingpin is a new offshoot mini-series from Matthew Rosenberg over at Marvel. And we also get Marvel Universe Avengers Ultron Revolution and Marvel's Doctor Strange Prelude coming out before the movie. Oni Press gives us Brick #1, a new miniseries from writer Adam Glass. Scout Comics gives us Solar Man. This one is sold out in advance of release. Very small print run. Doctor Who is back with a new miniseries, Supremacy of the Cybermen, in honor of the 50th anniversary of the Cybermen first appearing on the BBC TV series, featuring a bunch of the different Doctors. And Valiant gives us 4001 AD Shadow Man from Jody Hauser at Valiant. And Zenescope gives us Grim Fairy Tales Robin Hood I Love New York, a new miniseries with sexy artwork. So tons of cool books out this week. You can get these all at HawknessComics.com. We ship worldwide. We have cheap shipping within the United States and Canada. You can check out all my weekly market reports at HawknessComics.com. And thanks for your support for watching our videos each week.